Welcome back, looters. I am your host on Tick to Loot, the channel where we turn ticks into treasure. Today we are on lesson 3.4 of Unit 3, Trading Platforms. In this lesson, we're going to cover how to practice properly on a demo account. By the end of this video, you will understand the importance of demo trading and how to use it to improve your skills. So, what is a demo account? A demo account is a practice account that looks and works exactly like a real trading account, but with virtual money. This means you can practice trading without risking any real money. Why should you start with a demo account? Demo trading allows you to build your platform skills and test your ideas without risking any real money. It's like practicing a sport before playing in a real game. So, how long should you demo trade? You should aim to be consistently profitable for at least 1 to 2 months before considering going live. This will help you build confidence and ensure you have a solid understanding of the markets. One common mistake new traders make is treating demo trading as a game. You should treat your demo account exactly like a real account, making decisions based on your trading plan and risk management strategy. What should you practice in a demo account? You should focus on placing orders correctly, setting stop losses, and reading charts. These skills are essential for successful trading and will help you build a strong foundation. It's also important to track your demo trades in a journal. This will help you identify patterns and areas for improvement. Make sure to include the date, pair, entry, stop, target, result, and any notes about the trade. When should you go live? You should only go live after you have achieved consistent profitability in your demo account and have a full understanding of risk management. This will help you minimize losses and maximize gains. Remember, demo trading is a crucial step in your trading journey. Don't rush into live trading until you are ready. Take your time, practice, and build your skills. This takes practice, and it's not something you can rush. Be patient, stay disciplined, and you will see improvement over time. That is everything for lesson 3.4. How to practice properly on a demo account. If this helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Tick to Loot so you never miss a lesson. Drop a comment below. What was the most useful thing you learned today? See you in the next lesson, looters. Keep turning those ticks into treasure.